Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to make your own charcoal. All right, so here we are. This is where the magic happens. And you're going to see real quickly that this is super easy to do. You just got to maintain that fire. So first, we have our 55-gallon barrel. We have our lid. This is very important. You can't forget to do this or you're going to set off a pressure cooker. You got to punch holes in the top of this so that steam and pressure can get released. On top of that, you need to secure it. Next, we have the lid, our shroud to maintain that heat. We have our platform where we're going to obviously put our fire. And this is just some leftover wood that did not completely turn into charcoal. So I've got to recook that, and you don't want to smoke with this stuff unless it's ready to go. But this probably weighed about 5 to 6 pounds, and when it's done, this thing should weigh a few ounces. So the wood that I've been using is been seasoned for about a year. All right, we got our wood stacked in here, upright. Just ran out of short pieces, so just laying these over. But this is literally all you do. All right, we got the sleeve up. We got the lid on. I like to punch all of the previous materials out of these holes so we can have a good blow off of that pressure, steam. We have everything set up. Now we're gonna get this thing cooking. So a side note, I found that it takes a long time for the fire to really start to heat up. And I'm talking 1500 plus degrees. So we are going to expedite that by utilizing a leaf blower. We got a pretty good fire going. And I'm just gonna keep stoking the fire for about the next 8 hours. This is the next morning. Let everything cool down overnight. Gonna pop the top off, take the sleeve off, take a peek. See what our charcoal looks like. There we go.